Hi guys, this is Ranish Malhan from Pix Compose. Today I have brought you a very useful script which is free for you, and this script is created by me. This will create the passport size photo setup very easily in just few clicks. So I hope you will like it. So you can find the download link for this in the description, and today I will show you how you can use this and how useful it is for you and for everyone. So let's get started. This is the final result of this script. So to use this script I will go to the file menu, and from here I will click on new. From here I will select a canvas on which I want to create this setup. Basically I will use 6 inches wide and 4 inches in height setup with the 300 pixels per inch resolution. I will click on create. If you want this script for any other canvas size, then you can ask for it in the comment section. We will provide that to you. Now click on create. So here we have the blank setup. Now I will go to the actions panel. If you don't see the actions panel here, go to the window, and from here you can select the actions panel. The shortcut key for this is Alt F9. So now my actions panel is opened. I will select my action, which is this one. Now I will click on play. At this time it is asking to select an image which we want to use in the setup. So I am going to use this. This is my image. So I will click on place. Now it is asking us to adjust the image in the frame. So I have adjusted the image in the frame. I can scale it like this. So that's up to me, and you can notice that it is clipping the extra part because I have used the frame tool to create this action. Now I will commit the changes, and great, we have the setup ready. We have saved lot of time, and this script was very easy. I hope you liked it, and I hope you want more resources like that which will be freely available to you. So don't forget to subscribe our channel and do press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.